Raise your hand if your garage has seemingly taken a life of its own. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway Fox and Roach, and I, for one, have avoided my garage because of the organization is so tedious. Here are some of the top organization hacks for faking a perfectly organized garage. So number one, first, get rid of anything that you do not use or does not work. This is far from a hack, but actual organization advice. Number two, second, group your equipment and your tools into areas that make sense for you. Whether they are sporting equipment, tools, and seasonal accessories, if they are grouped, they will look more organized. So be strategic with these groups and place your things you use the most in easy to reach places and vice versa. Next, get things off the ground. These are our favorites for using storage space wisely. First is a pegboard. Pegboard is inexpensive and it's easy to install because it can be outfitted with an array of compatible hooks, clamps, and bins and shelves. Second is open shelving. Whether a wall-mounted track system or a set of standalone units, open shelves are affordable, versatile, and user-friendly. And lastly is closed cabinetry. If you plan to park your car in your garage, cabinets with doors may be the most desirable option because closed storage means nothing has to be face-to-face with paint cans and garbage bags and every time you leave and arrive home. And if you're looking for more tips on managing clutter and curb appeal, remember to follow Kimmy Rolph Real Estate on YouTube and social media. Remember, Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.